some cocoa powder into your crepe mix, and you have chocolate crepes. A little bit of cream cheese, and you have cream cheese chocolate crepe roll. Surprisingly delicious.
Oh, yeah.
My God, what did you eat?
I never thought of making chocolate crepes until I saw this recipe out there on the internet. Lo and behold, you have it, chocolate crepes. Just mix some cocoa powder into your crepe mix and you have the beginning of some delicious chocolate crepes. Mix this thoroughly with the blender. Prepare your pan. Pour a quarter of a cup at a time into the pan. Spread it thin. Let it cook. Flip it. And repeat until your batter's gone. The filling is easy. Just add some cream cheese, some sugar, some vanilla extract, and there you have it, folks. And since I didn't think that would be enough, I decided to double the filling recipe. Little taste test? Oh yeah, that'll do it. Time to trim those crepes up, they were kind of messy. Add the cream cheese filling. Another crepe, more filling. Continue until you're out of room. Roll that batch up, reset, and add some more. I stopped at about 7 crepes. That should be enough. Roll it, wrap it in foil, put it in the freezer for about an hour, and then use up the rest of your crepes in your filling. Go ahead, you deserve one. Melt some white chocolate into the microwave. Mix some gel into some water. Now stir your white chocolate. Add a little bit of heavy cream to thin it out. Looking good so far. Now you mix your gel into your white chocolate. Get your crepe roll out of the freezer, unwrap it, pour your white chocolate mixture over top. Add your coconut flakes. Slice a section of the cake. And enjoy.